Aprakrita Nama or Shuddha Nama incarnates into the vibration that we produce with our tongue and invests all its potency in that sound, and it becomes omnipotent Shakti Avesha Nama. He becomes omnipotent Shakti Avesha Nama. The soul can get connected to him only through attention. These are facts. Okay, step by step we are going. The Lord incarnates, but you can connect with him only through attention. 3. Nama Prabhu wants our soul energies, especially our Ichcha, Asha, Atma Cheshta, to willfully and desirefully chant and hear, and not auto-doing and auto-tracking, japa. Okay. So, Lord wants our soul energies. Even though we have our system, mind-body system is trained to do auto-do and auto-tracking, still the soul would willfully and desirefully want to give the chesta to chant and hear, Atma Chesta. Atma Chesta means Kriya Chesta and or doing effort, and Jnana Chesta or knowing effort. Ichcha Asha means willfully and desirefully. These are fundamental soul energies. This is what we have to give to the Nama. Not somehow like a tape recorder, you don't train and chant mindlessly. You may get some punya for all that, but you don't attract the attention of the Lord. Your attention, even you give attention, it attracts the attention of the Lord. Now the next thing you have to understand is we have to give attention. But how to give attention? To give attention, you have to give effort. What doing effort gives doing attention to karma indriyas, and knowing effort releases knowing attention to jnana indriyas. In other words, the idea of saying that is, ultimately we want to be attentive to the japa. We want to be attentive to the nama. To be attentive to the nama, the control point is not attention. Don't try to hold the attention, bring back and do all that. Is not the attention. The point is the chesta in the heart. That is what releases the attention. So at the control point is chesta and not the attention. So therefore, kriya chesta means you want to attentively do something, you give kriya chesta. You want to attentively hear something, then you give jnana chesta. Now, another idea of this also important, chanting. Number 6, chanting is an outgoing doing activity and hearing is an intaking knowing activity. And very important paradigm we broke, which commonly many people have, is hearing is not a doing activity. So hearing is not a doing activity. Hearing is a knowing activity. Chant and exactly the same sound you hear. This is called concurrent chanting cum hearing. Another very important thing that we need to understand, the common target which is a currently manifesting nama enables the merger of kriya chesta as well as jnana chesta on the same name. See how it becomes a composite activity. Doing and knowing becomes a composite activity because both are applied on the same nama. And which is that nama? Where is that nama? When is that nama manifest? It is the nama that is currently manifest as you go on chanting. So the moment both chestas are on that, it becomes a composite activity. The kriya chesta and jnana chesta merges on the same nama. The target for kriya chesta is same nama as the target of jnana chesta. This is a trick. Aiming both at the same target sound is called linking direction. In other words, it's on the same sound. You're doing the sound and knowing the sound. That is called linking direction. And that linking direction is chant and hear the very chant. The two chestas keep the mind here and now. Because what? Your chesta, kriya chesta and jnana chesta is applied on the current nama. Where is the current nama? Current nama is here and now. Not the nama which has gone, Hare Krishna. Hare, I finished saying, Hare is gone. Now Krishna is coming. Once you say Krishna, then Krishna is gone. Hare, next Hare is coming. So currently manifesting Nama is a common target for Kriya Chesta and Jnana Chesta to concurrently act on that Nama. Then it becomes concurrent chanting come hearing. So concurrent chanting come hearing attracts the flow. This is a secret. If you don't do concurrent, it does not attract the flow of that pleasant energy. Concurrent chanting come hearing attracts the flow of a divine doing knowing energy from the Nama Prabhu that gives a pleasant taste to chant come hear more and more. It is never tiring.